Hey guys, welcome to Super Style. This is Prachi and today I'm going to be doing one of my random videos for my favorite series. I don't know if you guys even know about this or not, but I actually have a series called The Favorite Series where I talk about the things that I like, just pick up something random that I really like and just talk about it because it's just so much fun to do this, right? Everybody likes talking about their favorite products. So as some of you might be aware, I'm currently traveling. I've mentioned it like for so many times on my channel. Also, some of my upcoming videos will also mention this because I recorded them way long back. But yeah, because I'm traveling, I kind of just wanted to, when I'm traveling, I don't like to carry soaps, okay, for bathing and all. So I usually tend to carry body wash. This time I thought, hey, you know what, instead of body washing, try something called a body polish. Basically, I was carrying this Malvara body wash that I got in my fab bag like months ago, okay. So I finished it off while on my trip and I was like, oh my god, now I need something else. So I decided to pick up this body polish by Body Shop, and this is so amazing, guys. Like, honestly, I could not wait to go back to Calcutta and talk about this because I think that if I wait for that long, some of you might actually miss buying this, and it's just, or might delay buying this, and it's definitely not worth it, okay. This thing is so amazing. I got this for I think about 650 bucks, and I have a very sad story behind this. When I got this thing, I got it for 650 bucks, and then I went online to check the reviews. Yeah, I bought the thing and then I went online to check the reviews. And as it turned out that you can actually get this thing at a much lower price on Snapdeal and Flipkart. So yeah, the moral of the story is, guys, that before you actually buy anything, first of all, you check online, check with your beauty bloggers, and see the reviews, see the pricing, and then buy your stuff, okay. So yeah, that was a really sad thing that happened, but apart from that, everything else about this body wash has been so amazing. So as you can see, I got the pink one. This is like obviously the strawberry body wash. They have this in 2 or 3 other fragrances, but I wasn't interested in that because, as you might have noticed, I have talked about this on my channel before. If you want, I'll link this video as well in the description box. Currently I'm using the Body Shop body butter. This is also strawberry. So I kind of read this somewhere. I thought it made complete sense, that if you're using like a moisturizer or a body butter for certain fragrance, you should use a body wash of a similar kind of the similar fragrance. And the smells are like totally complementary to each other, this one and this one. So I thought it just made complete sense. And guys, this body polish is so amazing, so amazing. I can't even get started on it. So this is like 200 ml, okay, and I'll just show you the package, show you what it looks like. So they have these little granules, okay, and yeah, this is what it looks like. So the tube is like totally full. I hate it when I buy something and the tube is not full, the tube is like half empty and stuff, because it happened a lot of my Patanjali products, which I talked about it on my channel recently. And yeah, so this is how it looks. It just spreads like perfectly, like so well on your skin. And one of the things I love about this body polish is that when you're actually scrubbing this on your skin, it just kind of gets really tight on your skin while you're massaging it, and eventually all you're left with are these little granules, okay. I don't know if I'm actually describing this properly or not, but yeah, as you can see, like the whole thing will just get tight on your skin, and they will get absorbed by your skin, like the whole product, and all you'll be left with are the granules. And then you just keep rubbing, and the granules are just cleaning your skin so perfectly. And I can't explain this as well as I would like to explain this, but while I was doing this, I can already just smell strawberry all around me. Literally, guys, I'm telling you, the other day when I just stepped out of the bathroom after using this and then applying this, it's like the whole house was just smelling of strawberry, and everybody was looking at me and saying, what are you doing? What did you do in that bathroom? Were you making strawberry shake or something? What is there, a strawberry plantations at the bathroom or something that we're not aware of? Because it was so strong, it was so lovely, and then for the whole day I was smelling of strawberries, and I just loved it. And if you're looking for a cool body polish or a cool body wash, or if you just looking for something cool to buy, because sometimes you don't really need excuses for shopping, this is a product that you absolutely have to try out, guys. Have to try out. I know it's kind of expensive, definitely expensive. Not kind of expensive, definitely expensive, but totally worth it, this. So yeah, that's all I want to tell you, guys. They also have strawberry body lip butter, and then they have this little perfume. I don't know why I didn't get the perfume that day. I don't know, I just got very confused because they had a mist and then they had a perfume, and then I wanted both, and then I got freaked out. I'm like, oh my god, what's happening to me? Why do I want so many things? And then I just came back home without buying anything. So I think I will go back to the shop and buy the strawberry perfume, because strawberry smelling perfume, because again the smell was totally complimentary, and I don't know, I think I'll just smell even better, you know, if I just get the strawberry perfume as well. God, I'm greedy. But yeah, this is just something I felt like talking about. It's really funny that the price thing happened though, you know, like, because when I bought this, if you have watched that video in which I've reviewed this body butter, when I was just about to pay for this body butter, at the counter this lady tells me that there's a 30% off going on. Yeah, there's a 30% off. Yeah, there's a 30% off going on, and at the last moment I ended up saving some money, whereas on the other hand, in case of this one, I just ended up spending a little extra. But anyways, long story short, product was totally worth it, and so great that I had to talk about this in my favorite series, which, believe me guys, is a big deal for me, okay? So yeah, just sort of letting you guys know, if you have tried any Body Shop, if you have tried Body Shop body wash, the strawberry body wash, or any other Body Shop products that you really like, do let me know in the comment section below, because I'm getting really addicted to Body Shop, and while it's a really bad addiction for my wallet, it's a great addiction for my skin, and it's a great addiction for my channel because I'm making these awesome videos. So let me know what Body Shop products you like and why, and yeah, that's about it, okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you're having a great time. I'm having a lovely time out here in Bangalore. A lot of you are asking me where I'm in Bangalore right now. So I keep frequenting between these few places, okay? There's a place called Central Silk Board. So I often stay over there, and sometimes I'm staying in this place called Bannerghatta, I don't know, the Bangalore girls would know what I'm talking about. Sometimes I'm staying over here, and yeah, I keep frequenting between these two places, and there's a time I'm just like checking out the places to eat and the places to party, and I have all my friends in Bangalore, so I keep visiting them. So yeah, I'm just having like a lovely time. I hope you're having a great time too, and yeah, that's about it, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye.